guys, welcome to my channel. Happy Raksha Bandhan to you all. So today on occasion of Raksha Bandhan, I made few simple handmade Rakhis. I have used seed beads and a simple embroidery cord, and for one with the square knot I used nylon cord. So let's quickly see what are the items we need for this. A eye pin, a 10 mm bead I am taking here, glass bead, and this is 2 mm seed bead. This is a 22 gauge wire, and this is an embroidery cord. Take around 14 inch of 22 gauge wire, bend in the middle and cross it over. Take the eye pin inside, make 2 wraps and take the beads in. So I have taken the beads in, and I have taken the 10 mm bead inside and close the loop on other side. So now around the big bead we are going to make the wrapping on both the sides. Bring it around the bead and around the eye pin. So complete 3 rounds and cut off the excess wire. So I am keeping this very simple. I am just adding a embroidery cord without any design. For small kids we can use that one, and for the other one I am making a square knot on both the sides. So to see the in detail how to make a square knot, you can watch my Shambhala bracelet video. It's a mixed color nylon wire I have used here. So even at the ends we can do square knot like adjustable bracelet. So this is the final one. I have kept it very simple. Let me know if you like the simple design, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, and let me know in the comment section if you like this one. Thanks for watching.